Greetings and welcome. Learn how to install version 30D. The first thing we're going to do is insert the red dongle you received, which is the key to the device. Note that it says it is empty because the dongle contains no information. It is an encrypted key. We take the Hunter and place it on the PC, turn it on, and notice that the 3 lights on the front are on. And the next thing is to look in the control panel to see if the Hunter is recognized by the computer. To do this, go to Hardware and Sound, and in Device Manager look for port, COM and LPT, where COM3 or COM4 is located. After checking everything we've seen, we're ready to install the software. Then we go to the data USB that they received and look for the Hunter 30D folder, and then we start the installation. We go to the MetaHunter 30D file, the one with the green leaf, and right-click on it, then Run as administrator. We wait a short time for it to begin to install. The delay depends on the power of your computer. I'll speed it up. We close the window and go to the desktop. And you will see this icon that says Zero Setup. We click on Install and follow the steps I show to install it. Windows will ask for permission and we will say yes. Just like the first one, it will take a while, as it depends on the PC's memory. I will fast forward the recording. We finished. Now we go to the driver of MetaHunter icon, and we'll double-click it to activate it. We will give permission to Windows. And we get this black screen, but when it finishes completing, it will close. Done. We have now completed the installation. Now we double-click on the Hunter icon, but first we must put on the bioinductors or headphones. The software now recognizes the Hunter and begins to open the program. And now we are seeing the new version of Hunter 4025 30D. We will enter the patient reception folder. We go to New Card and register a new patient. The data we will enter will be fictitious. We go to where all the systems are and we choose the brain system to test. And we do an investigation. It will be fast because we only choose the brain. Okay, now let's go to the Etalons window. And here in the list on the right, we'll see the additional chakras that are included only in this 30D version. We'll also see Bach flowers and emotional psychology. We're going out. Now, I want to explain something very important regarding your antivirus system. I'm referring to Windows Defender. The first thing is that the icon should be green, not red. We click on the Windows Defender icon. and go to your allowed threats. Here you will see many because it has been many years installing versions of different equipment. Please note that all are allowed. If any are not allowed, please allow them. Now let's go to the threat history and notice that all of them have been restored. Warning, you can't delete them. Let's go to quarantine and notice that there are no items in quarantine. This is very important. If you see an item in quarantine, please restore it. Don't delete it. We're nearing the end of this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have trouble installing it, I'm sure it's not Hunter. It's 100% a problem with your antivirus system. So please, I suggest you contact me before you start getting frustrated, or rather doubting the device. Goodbye.